What's up, my mobile detailing people? Welcome back to another detailing video. Shout out to that boy H2O, Hector Jr. That man sent your boy a care package, man. Hey, if you're in the LA area, make sure you guys tap into H2O supplies. H2O build your van up. H2O pimp your ride. You know, they supply you every need, your detailing needs, you guys. And follow me over here, you guys. They send me a care package. Make sure we show each other love, man. You know what I mean? I drop the videos. Make sure I support my boy. Make sure he supports me. And sent your boy the care package, man. I'm excited. It just dropped, just touched down. They just knocked on the door, man.
Wait, did he tell you what he was gonna send you?
Nah, he said he was gonna hook me up.
All right.
He said, I'm gonna hook you up. I told him a couple things that I needed. I wanted to try some ceramic coatings and stuff like that. I don't even know if he really sent it, but I told him just hook your boy up, man. Hook your boy up. All right. What we got in here, man? Get some ASMR going. Hold on. Okay. I see the coach. See the coach Kimmy already, man. So what we got here? Some super towels, man. Microfiber towels. Needed some of these too. All right. This man wasn't playing. Shout out to that man. Hey, check my boy Hector out down below. Make sure you tap into his YouTube channel, Instagram, all that, man. Right here we got the Coach Kimmy Green Star Universal Cleaner. Come on. I've been seeing all the YouTubers on this right here. I've been wanting to try that. All right, what we got? We got some more Coach. Come on, Magic Wheel Cleaner. Acid-free rim cleaner right here. All right. Next up, Coach Kimmy once again, the spray sealant. Spray sealant for a hydrophobic and high gloss painted surface. Come on, he gonna have me have to buy everything Coach now. Come on. Next up, we got the Prep. Excellent oil and grease remover. So this is the Prep. After you polish your car, or you leave any contaminants on the vehicle, whatever you leave in the car, it just cleans it up. All right, we got some bottles. We got some Coach Kimmy bottles. All right, let me make some room, Rez. Let me make some room. All right, we got some microfiber. What we call this?
Applicators?
The applicators, there we go. You know, you can apply your wax. All right, next up, we got Geon quartz right here. Damn. Geon beading and gloss cure. So this is a sealant right here. Next up, pure Geon. I believe this is the ceramic coating right here. Dope. And then next up we got the applicator pad right here. Shout out to H2O and Covina, man. Covina, California, LA area. Tap into them, man. Tap in. Let them know Hunter sent you. All right. Next up. That's it. Next up. Ooh, that's heavy. Okay. Express Interior Cleaner, man. This is my favorite cleaner right here by P&S. Interior cleaner, you guys. This is my favorite. I got about this much left in my van. And I was like, man, I gotta go order some more. Hey.
How much does that cost, the gallon size?
It's like 20 to 25. We ain't only got one. Hold on. Popped out 2 of them. Come on. Next up. You know what I mean? Brake busters, non-acid rim and tire cleaner right here, man. We running low on that. We had about that much too, man. All right. Shout out once again to that man Hector. I appreciate the care package, brother. You guys, he has an online store. Also, check out his YouTube channel. Check out his Instagram. Everything's gonna be in the description down below.
Wait. What does he do?
He builds, he has his own store in Covina in LA area. So what they do is they sell supplies. All your supplies that you see on YouTube, PNS, Coach Kimmy, and a whole lot of other suppliers. They have them all in their store. They got all the supplies, brushes, applicator pads, chemicals, everything in the store. They detail your car, drop your car off, get it ceramic coated, you guys. Also, most of all, I drove out to LA area, 6 hours and 30 minutes, 7-hour drive just to get my van set up, man. So if you guys haven't seen my other videos about my van setup, make sure you guys check that out. They supplied me on the setup, dope setup, man. I ain't seen nothing like it, man. So those are all the things they do. I appreciate you, Hector Sr. And blessings to you guys. May you guys' business continue to prosper. All right, you guys stay tuned. Me and Hector got some stuff in the works, man. And you guys stay along on this ride, you guys. Have a blessed one. Let's go.